Hi everyone, I'm Hennis from the Hennis Way, and today I'll be doing a review and demonstration of the Yaki's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. So I've been hearing about this brand for a while, so when I spotted this bath baby right here on the dollar store a couple of weeks ago, I was really excited. It was only $5 and I've already used it twice and it has worked very well. So I just want to do a little presentation of how I use it and also how it looks on my hair. This Yaki's Curls and Coils Not On My Watch, which I absolutely love that it's not on my watch, and it's just, I don't know why, I just like puns. So it's an instant detangling therapy and it's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum. So the reason why I wanted to use this is because my hair gets tangled a lot and I always have to fight with my brush to get it detangled. So this seems like the great, a great product to do that with. I'm gonna read you the directions. So basically apply a generous amount all over hair, concentrating on tangled and harder to manage areas. Using a wide tooth comb, gentle comb through hair from the ends upward, unraveling tangles. It says do not force the comb through knots and excessively tangled hair. Apply more as needed and comb through small sections of hair until completely untangled as usual. Right over here we have just like how a normal, usually kind of like shampoo or something is. So what I'll be using is of course the Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy, and I'm also gonna use a wide tooth comb. We're gonna also use a water spray bottle to wet my hair because it's really dry right now. Also always read the instructions, because the first time that I used this I didn't read it and I didn't have a wide tooth comb, and I used my regular brush and it did like detangle my hair, but I had to still fight a bit for it. So the second time I used my wide tooth comb, which I bought, and it worked really well. So today I'm gonna demonstrate how it's used, and then after that I'll give you my review on it. Okay?
Perfect.
So this is the final look for by using the Not On My Watch Instant Detangler Therapy. So as you saw in kind of like the B-roll, I had to fight a little bit with the comb, especially on the back. I'm almost also like certain that it's because I have to cut my ends. They have been back for a long time, so But overall it took me like around 5 minutes, or probably less, like 3 to 5 minutes to tangle my whole hair, whereas normally it would take me like maybe like 8 minutes to do it all, and I'm not even like exaggerating. And then like even now, like usually after I detangle my hair with like a regular conditioner, after like not even like a minute and my hair starts to tangle, and like right now it's very smooth. I can run my fingers through my hair, and I do like the look. I do like how my curls look. So my review on the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Not on My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. So I really like this product. I love the smell. You can really smell like the shea butter and olive oil. I'm not a fan of the consistency. And this is more of a personal thing. Like I prefer thicker products for my hair. This consistency is like really runny, and they do say in their package like, you know, apply more as needed. Like since I have a lot of hair, that basically means I have to use like half of the product. This is my third time using it, and it's like right about here. So it is a cheap product, so like I don't mind having to buy it again. It's just, you know, you don't want to have to keep spending money on it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have a lot of fun doing it. Have you tried this detangler or any other detangler that might be your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and also let me know any other Aunt Jackie's products that you might have tried. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for more information about what's coming up. Thank you so much for watching this video. This has been the Genesis Way. Bye!